Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's May 27th, 2022, about 6:15 in the evening. I love that so much. Somebody wore their mask too long and suffocated. What a shame. Take a look at the sky dump here, guys. Just look at this. This is not clouds, in case you think it is. You know, some people do. Amazing. It's everywhere today. My friend Richard just paged me, and I can't even tell you what paged me. Listen to me. What is this, 1985? He texted me, and I can't even tell you what he wrote. I mean, he wrote just how I feel. It's nasty. These guys are, I don't know, man. If this is operations from some kind of an Air Force or something, I'd be quite surprised. This is very advanced stuff, guys. I think we got a lot more problems than we think. A lot of big secrets they're not telling us. For sure. You can see them over here. Coming up here. It's gonna get ugly. Okay, I'll record tonight if that orange monster or whatever. There's more than one usually, so I'll get that too. All right, take care, guys. I'm out. Lovely.